Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you enjoy exploring the digital landscape and maximizing your productivity, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that what I'm sharing here is based on my personal experience. Today, we're diving into Turing.com, a platform connecting software developers with long-term remote opportunities. Turing's website, found at Turing.com, presents itself as a revolutionary way for developers to find stable, remote work with leading Silicon Valley companies and beyond. Their model focuses on matching talented engineers with the right projects, emphasizing a rigorous vetting process that ensures only the top developers gain access to their network. The platform boasts a comprehensive suite of tools and resources designed to support remote work, promising seamless collaboration and project management. Turing highlights the benefits of a global talent pool, enabling companies to access a wider range of skills and expertise. For developers, the appeal lies in the potential for competitive compensation, flexible work arrangements, and the opportunity to contribute to impactful projects. Turing.com emphasizes a community-driven approach, fostering a network of professionals who can connect and share their experiences. From a user perspective, navigating Turing.com appears relatively straightforward. The site clearly outlines the process for both developers seeking opportunities and companies looking to hire. Information about the vetting process, supported technologies, and the types of projects available is readily accessible. While the specific details of the matching algorithms and internal processes remain undisclosed, Turing.com provides enough information to convey a sense of their methodology and value proposition. Overall, Turing.com presents a compelling solution for both developers seeking remote work and companies in need of top-tier talent. The platform's focus on rigorous vetting, remote work facilitation, and community building suggests a commitment to creating a positive and productive environment for all involved. Whether this platform truly delivers on its promises is something that requires further investigation and practical experience.